In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily by LaserJet P1007 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to identify whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit PC. So how we can do so, at the bottom search bar, type for info. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. And after that moment, this kind of window would appear. So from here, you can identify whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit by navigating to the system type. There you can see whether you have x64 based PC or x32 based PC. Now once you have find the OS or the system type, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the description box below. You would be able to see two links that are being attached there. All you need to do is you need to copy the link that is in accordance to the operating system or the system type of the PC or laptop that you are having, meaning that you will be copying the link that is being attached, whether on the 64-bit if you have 64-bit, or whether 32-bit if you have 32-bit. Once you're good, please navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Double tap to continue. And from that moment, you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser. So here, you need to navigate to the Windows search bar. Clear the Windows search bar, make a right click, and go with this paste. Once you've pasted the link that is being attached there, click on Enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. Okay, so here at the top of that, you can see their download, tap on it, and go with download as a zip file. Eventually, it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Once done, directly navigate to the upper right side, click on this download icon, and hit the folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. From here, we need to move it to the desktop. So how we can do so, we need to make a right click on the zip file that we have downloaded and go with the that icon rather, okay, and close the window as well as this one. And from here, please make a right click and go with the paste. Once you've pasted the zip file, we need to extract it. So there are two ways in order to extract it. You can make a right click here, go with extract all, okay, or either you can use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So either choose among of these two, okay. So from that on, we just have to kindly wait until this process would be finished, and once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. So from that, you need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, directly navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices, and from here, click on printers and scanners. And eventually you can see this kind of window. Click on a device and wait until you can see an option where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually. and kindly wait until a window would show up where we can manually install our printer driver. And once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, and it will ask you to use a printer port. Select any of this one. So select any of the USB port. Click on next. Go with have disk and click on. And from here, navigate to the desktop where our extracted file has been placed. Double tap to it. Double tap, and it will show you the driver. So click on open, click on OK, and eventually it would be added here. All you need to do is you need to locate for 1007. So click on next once you've selected it and click on next once again, and that way you would be able to start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Now, once done, you can allow for printer sharing if you don't want to, or if you would like to keep the printer private, then select the other one on. Go with next, set it as your default printer by checking the box there, or you can uncheck it if you don't like. Go with finish, and there you have that. You would be able to successfully install the HP LaserJet P1007 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching this video and have a good day.